Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. All the buy one get one free. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tutorial videos. This year we got the gift center, which is the first video. Be sure to check it out. That's the video we just uploaded before this one. See if I can leave the link up above or in the description section or the comments. So be sure to check that out before you guys or after this video. But yeah, we got some great deals here from every tool brand, or at least every major tool brand here in Home Depot. Basically on these, you can look at this Advantage FlexFold Advantage. This is a smoking deal, guys. This deal is probably one of the better deals here. You buy one of the tools and then you get a free battery and a charger, which is a fast charger, I believe it's a 6 amp fast charger, the newest charger that they have. Definitely recommend the FlexVolt, guys. You guys could get all these tools and basically with batteries for cheap. Like this one you can get for $1.99. You can get the tool and you get a free battery with each item. I believe it's only one it could be only one transaction per ticket, so you might have to come back in. But other than that, this is a killer deal, guys. You're getting basically a free battery here, and then for $179 you buy the 999, which is the Flex Volt, and you get that free battery and that charger, the 6 amp charger, for free. Basically, it's a $179 value. Definitely, I think this I think the FlexVolt is probably the best deal for all of them. This is another great deal too. You get 2 FlexVolt tools and a tough system case, and other brushless tools. They're all brushless, but you get a circular saw, you get an angle grinder, the newest angle grinder, the newest circular saw, for $4.99. This is a killer deal too. So it just depends whatever works for you. If you want to buy the bare tool or you want to buy the cart if you don't have any tools. For $2.99, that's for the hammer drill, the new hammer drill, and the 887 brushless. And then we got Milwaukee here. If you guys see, it looks, I don't have the exact prices here or the exact deals. It looks like we're going to have a free battery with the purchase of any tool on the top. So that $229 Rocket Light, it's a great deal. Looks like you're going to get a free battery, a free big battery with it. So definitely recommend these deals, guys. Then at the bottom there, you got all the tools that you're going to be, you could buy and get that free battery. I believe that's not a free battery. That's one of the tools that you have to buy. So that's a tool. I believe it's a 12 amp hour battery. That's one of the batteries that you can buy to get another battery for free. I believe it's going to be an 8 amp hour battery. Correct me if I'm not wrong down in the comment section. Or if you guys, if I say anything wrong, obviously I don't have all the details up here because they have them blocked. So if I say anything wrong, please correct me at the bottom of the comment section so you can let the viewers know exactly the prices or the amp hours of these batteries. You got $1.99 deal. You get a free tool to the right. If you guys see to the right, you got 4 tools. You got 2 tools or 2 batteries. So you buy that $1.99 deal and you get that for free. That's what I heard of that deal. So that's not a bad deal. That's the kit right there. So I believe it's a brushless kit, and those are the tools to the right. I guess they did change the packaging on this one from black to from black and orange. To black and orange. You got some batteries there. You got that $3.99 kit. That's a pretty large kit there. I don't know if all those tools are brushless, but that's a lot of tools for $3.99. And then you get the Makita. Same thing with the Makita. You on this type of thing, you buy any of those toolkits and then you get the battery at the bottom. To the left. So you buy that $1.99 kit, that subcompact, and you get that battery. I don't know exactly what amp hour that battery is, but you can get it. And then you buy that $249 middle section. You get those 2 batteries for free, and that's a $249 circular saw. That's not a true warm drive saw. It looks like a warm drive, but it's not. There's two different ones. It's still the motor is on the right side, but the handle's on the back. And those are the two batteries. So two 5 amp hour batteries. That could be the ones that you get for free on the second section there for the free item. And then that's $199. $14.97. Those are some nice bits there. Really premium bits. XPS Impact. So 45 piece. And those are the subcompact for $199. So yeah, these are the ones that are on the top, and you get the free batteries at the bottom. And then you got the Ryobi. Ryobi, I gotta say, this year hasn't been quite impressing like the other brands. The other brands been great. You got the $99 deal. I wouldn't get that. It's just a brush. I believe it's a brush tool. And you get some of the deals. I mean, for a DIY, these are okay. But you know, if you're paying $199, there's a lot more great deals from other better brands. Ryobi definitely needs to step it up this year. This year it hasn't been any nothing impressive, unless you know you want to get that nail gun there for $99, which is a good deal. Then you got some of these brushless tools for $99, but other than that, you know, I don't think it's good. You got $59 for that vacuum. You got $199 for that big tool kit there at the bottom. But yeah, nothing really impressive with Ryobi this year. $139 for that really basic starter kit, and then two 4 amp hours for $79. Guys, last year and the years before, we used to get 3 amp hour batteries, 4 amp hour batteries, and free tool. This year, we're not getting anything. So we have to buy just the tools themselves. You got the new speaker there for $79. You got the vacuum there for $79. You got the light for $49. So these are if you guys see, these are the different sections that they have. So this is the $49 section, the $79 section in the middle, and then the different prices at the bottom with the kits. So $49 for that battery, which is supposed to have the upgraded batteries to 21700 cells, more powerful. And then $99 for that toolkit, which is not impressive at all. Tell you guys the truth, unless you're really tight on the budget. And you got the Makita. Same thing. You buy that $199 kit with the two batteries, you get one of those tools for free. You get the two. If you buy that $249, you get another. The $249 tool combo kit, you get one of those tools for free, or you get the $399 combo kit at the bottom left, and you get two tools for free. If you guys see there, so that $399, I think it's probably the best deal out of all this. You get two different tools to choose for free, and then you got the different toolkits at the right. The $299 kit there. Definitely a great deal on that. And then yeah, that's the $149 kit that they have on sale. It's very inexpensive. And then those are the brushless with the 3 amp hour battery, which is a great deal. Probably one of the better single tool better deals. $149 for a 3 amp hour battery pack, and then $179 for that. $159 for that looks like a jigsaw, and then $119 for the circular saw. That's the regular circular saw. If you guys see the other one, it looks like a warm drive, but it's not. $399 for that two tool combo kit, and then $249 for that. So that's these are all brushless tools, by the way. These are great tools. And then that's going to be the starter kit, the $199 starter kit with two 5 amp hour batteries, I believe. So definitely great deals, guys. Check them out. You know, go with your favorite tool brand if you already, or if you want to start a new one. This is the time. So, and then you got the DeWalt, same thing, two batteries. I believe it's a small battery and a bigger one. for $199. I believe it's a 4 and a 6 for $199, which is a killer deal. You get one tool for free, or you could get that single tool for $199 and you get another tool for free, or you could buy the bigger kit and get 2 tools for free. And guys, feel free to pause the video or rewind it if you guys need more time looking at these deals, these tools. So definitely, I don't know if I'm going too fast for you because I tried doing the pauses every now and then so you guys would see with a little bit more time. But feel free to rewind it if you guys need. $169 for the circular saw. It is the 20 volts. It's not the flex volt. The flex volt's on the other section there. So $399 for the atomic. $199 for that single hammer drill kit made in the USA. Looks like a really nice kit. And then $199 for that bunch of tools here. So there's a lot to choose from. That's a 5 amp hour battery, and then you get a 6 and a 4, like I said up above, for $199, and then you get to choose a tool. So that's a killer deal, guys. That 6 amp hour is expensive. And then you got this. You got a 2, a 4, and a 6 for $149. So that's really a great deal. You're paying for that 6 amp hour, and you're getting those 2 other batteries for free. You got the screw gun there for $139. You got the palm sander for $139. That's a great deal, guys. I do have that gun. Works really good. If you guys haven't seen my video, I did a Milwaukee versus DeWalt. Make sure you guys look at it. My channel, Toolhead147. Alright, Milwaukee, you got $199 2 battery combo deal, and you get 1 tool for free. You got the $399 2 tool combo kit with 2 batteries. You get 1 tool for free, or you get the $599 combo kit with several. I can't really see it because it's fairly small in my screen. And you get 2 free batteries, or 2 free tools with that $599 combo kit. So definitely check it out. I gotta say, Milwaukee is one of the better. Milwaukee and DeWalt are probably most dominant brands at Home Depot or at the field, at the construction field out there. So these are one of the better brands. $119 for that vacuum, $149 for that light, and $159, and then $599 for that tool combo kit. So that's one of the tool combo kits that you have to get to get 2 free tools, basically. And they're all fuel, by the way. That's the middle grade right there for $399. And you get any of those tools for free. So that's the blower right there. You got the oscillating tool. You got the router. Yeah, there's all kinds of tools you guys could get. And then they have that $149, which is not really impressive. If you're in a tight budget, you want Milwaukee. I mean, you could go for that. But for $149, you can probably just stick another $50 and just get 2 of these. You know, a pair of these, and they are brushless tools, very powerful. I do have the Impact, that one right there, the Impact for $99. That's a great tool, really powerful. Probably one of the most powerful tools I've had. So, $159 for the hacksaw. For the Surge, $129. Yeah, and then you got a battery there for $149. So definitely, guys, check it out. Yeah, this guy's and that's the battery deal that they're gonna have. $199. I guess they're 2 4 amp hour batteries. So definitely check it out. You're gonna get a free battery with that 2 battery deal. Yes, the pack out, guys. It's on sale. I believe the pack out, as you guys see at the middle right there, it's going to be $179 with the tote on the top. So you get the big rolling box, and then you get the medium, and then you get that the crate there, the milk crate there, and then $34.97 for the top organizer there. So if you want to just add it to the kit, you know, you're basically coming a little bit above $200 there. So $149 on the 2.0 Tough System 2.0. Definitely a killer deal on this. Definitely recommend the Tough System 2.0. I know they did a lot of upgrades to it. It looks like a great I'm still debating if I should go with the tough system or the pack out, because there's a lot of good deals out there right now. I mean, the tough system looks really nice. As you guys see, the quality of this, it's just so great. The latches, the new latching system that they have, the one-handed latching system. So anyways, if you guys want to check out the second part of this video, or the first part of this video, I would say, with all this gift center, be sure to check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above in the corner, or go to my channel, Toolhead147, and look for that video. It's just right before this one. I uploaded this morning. So don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.